Hello. Today we are going to discuss how to maximize the amount of revenue your practice generates with a prior authorization service. First, let's define a prior authorization. Prior authorization is a management process used by insurance companies to determine if a prescribed product or service will be covered. This process can be used for certain medications, procedures, or services before they are given to the patient. There are many types of medical treatments and medications that may need a prior authorization. Medications that may be unsafe when combined with other medications. Medical treatments that have lower cost but equally effective alternatives available. Medical treatments and medications that should only be used for certain health conditions. Medical treatments and medications that are often misused or abused. And finally, you may need prior authorization for drugs frequently used for cosmetic purposes. Prior authorizations are a pain point for both doctors and patients. In recent surveys, 86% of providers reported the number of medical services that require prior authorization has increased, as well as the cost for physician practices, which also continue to increase, up 60% in 2019 to manually generate a request to insurers. In another survey, physicians were asked to describe the burden associated with prior authorizations in their practices. 86% agreed it puts a high or extremely high burden on the practice. So what can a prior authorization service do for your practice? One of the first benefits of partnering with a professional prior authorization service is that it is much faster to get the diagnostic study scheduled, which helps the physician quickly and properly diagnose the patient and decide the next steps to treatment. Another major benefit of a professional prior authorization service is that you can shorten your turnaround times for patient appointments. Before your patient can schedule an appointment, it is best to get prior authorization approved. Of course, a major benefit of partnering with a professional prior authorization service is that you can maximize your reimbursement rate and reduce your rate of denials. Finally, you can maximize patient satisfaction rates. A prior authorization service can help you increase your patient satisfaction rate for numerous reasons. First, your patients don't have to wait as long for an appointment. They can get the information they need more quickly. Second, your patients don't have to worry about getting billed out of pocket for certain services because you can verify that the insurance company will provide them with the coverage they expect. Whether you're thinking about partnering with a new vendor or would just like some additional information about our prior authorization services, don't hesitate to visit us online or give us a call. We hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching.